In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an image in PNG format using Paint.net. Whether you're working on a digital project or simply tidying up some personal photos, knowing how to properly save your files can make all the difference in preserving quality and ensuring compatibility with various platforms. Let's dive into this straightforward process. First, let's open Paint.net. If you're unfamiliar with this software, it's a free and versatile image and photo editing tool that's quite popular for its ease of use and powerful features. Once you've got it running, you'll be greeted by a clean and simple interface that makes it easy to navigate, even if you're a beginner. Now let's assume that you've already created or opened an image within Paint.net that you'd like to save. If not, go ahead and do that now by simply clicking File, located at the top left of the screen, and then select Open from the drop-down menu to choose your file. Next, let's focus on the saving process. Once your image is open in Paint.net, head back to the top left corner of your screen and click on File again. This time, instead of selecting Open, you'll want to choose Save As. This step is crucial because it allows you to specify the file format you want your image to be saved in, something that's not only useful for organization purposes, but also essential for maintaining the quality and transparency of the image, especially when using PNG files. A dialog box will appear, providing you the option to rename your file if needed, specify the destination where it will be saved on your computer, and most importantly, change the file format. Look for the option labeled Save as Type. By default, it might be set to another format like JPEG, but we're aiming for PNG due to its ability to handle high-quality images with transparent backgrounds. Click on the drop-down menu next to Save as Type, browse through the options, and select PNG. PNG is an excellent choice for saving images with clear, sharp details and no loss in quality, especially if they contain text or transparent sections. Once you've selected PNG, simply click on the Save button. If your image has multiple layers, you may be prompted with another dialog box that gives you the option to flatten your image. Flattening will combine all your layers into a single layer, which is generally fine if you don't need to edit the layers individually later on. And there you have it. Your image is now saved as a PNG file, ready to be used wherever you need it. The whole process is quick and simple, ensuring your work is stored in a high-quality format that's easily shareable and widely compatible. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and until next time, happy editing.